welcome to PEAR practice, and you're here with your girl Emily, all around Emily. Sorry about that. We'll be making videos at least once a month because I'm in college and it's a struggle to get these on here and come up with ideas. But we'll be working with PEAR practice. I'm not doing a tutorial today. This is to show just another little gadget that you can use. You can create an assignment. It has all the subjects. It has every grade flexible for all teachers, so you don't have to worry about that. The little waffle over here, you can make an assignment and assign it to your class. You can go to My Library, and all of your created assignments should be here. And if you want to hook that to Google Classroom, you may. And students may also use this to teachers. You can create a little avatar. It has all these little cute gadgets and features. You can dress your person and all of this and that. Then when you're done, you can press done. You can also share it. Your profile, you can edit that as well if you would like. You can go here to edit, or you can share. You can also put what grades you teach by going to edit. Or you can go to my account, which you're already on. But if you're creating this for students, it might be a little different. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up, share, like, and subscribe. I'm so sorry that it's so short. If you'd like to see any other content with any other unique little tools and gadgets for teachers to use to make their assignments and learning more engageable for students, you may give me some ideas in the comments and we will do that. Thank you guys. Hope you have a great day. Bye bye.